Must Laugh Monday, Monster Must Laugh motherfucking Monday, whatever this shit called, but I'm up in this bitch for the third time, goddamn it, fuck with me, Twitter, Facebook, the whole kickapoo, shit, we out here. You see what I upgraded the place, how y'all like it, y'all like this shit? Get a little money, man, shit, get a little couple hits, motherfucker, get a couple dollars, you know how that shit go. It's all good, man. I ain't gonna bust y'all motherfucking balls, man. I'm just out here fucking around, man, trying to make it out in this cold world, man. It's cold out here, man. It's cold. Bitch ass niggas. Right now I got the great motherfucking sport on earth on lock. Over a couple $1 trillion. Are you fucking kidding me? You bitch ass niggas. Man, we like this shit, man. Basketball is our shit. We need basketball. Stop fighting over a few dollars. If y'all stop motherfucking upgrading these motherfucking bogus assholes, the motherfucking basketball wives and all that shit, maybe the motherfucking hand got them in some legal room to goddamn to do something what they want to do. But no. Basketball, football, fix that shit. Y'all making us look stupid, y'all. Fix that shit, man, please. Just word of mouth, man. You know, I ain't bashing or nothing like that. Just I miss that shit, man. And then Jordan can't fix that shit. They fined Jordan 500 fucking grand, G. Man, he didn't even motherfucker say nothing. He just said in that shit when he coward ass nigga didn't pay me nothing. Shit, I hoop for free. Shit, generation of niggas fucked up, man. It's all good though, man. What's up with these jobs? I mean, that's the thing that pissed me off. Motherfucker got a regular job, gotta go to a regular job, make $12.75 an hour. Working their motherfucking ass off, can't take no days off, gotta work 120 more motherfucking days before they can even call and say, look, I'm sick, I got Ebola, E. coli, I'm finna die. Could you come in? Can I come in? Man, I'm fucked up, I'm injured. Well, we're gonna have to write you up. Write me up. How the fuck you gonna write me up, man, I'm sick? Over the doctor's note. Well, we still gotta write you up. You know that write-up's gonna affect your bonus. Oh my God! Now you gonna take my bread? Well, that's some cold motherfuckers, boy. They cold. And then you know how they really get you. Look, you stack your little 401k up. They ask you, you wanna take some money out? Man, you can't ask no black man to take no. Do you want to? Hell yeah, I wanna take some money out, boy. Do you want to go home? Man, I don't give a fuck. Some motherfucker blizzard outside. Boy, motherfucker, hell yeah, I want to go home. Well, do I got to find something? I got to call somebody? Hell yeah, I want to go home. Man, you hungry? I'm back. Man, hell yeah, I'm hungry. Fuck you talking about? I'm starving. It's some of that shit. Boy, you ain't no pork in 2 years. Boy, they got some motherfucking free pork at work. That shit smothered with some barbecue sauce. Boy, I'm eating some of that shit. Fuck it. I ain't got no lunch. Straight up, just this shit ill, boy. Ill. And they fighting over millions of dollars. We're calling a mandatory overtime. I got something to do. Man, motherfuckers waiting on me, Joe. I can't stay here. Well, we're going to have to write you up. And you know that's going to affect your bonus. Man, it's Buck Nasty, man. Must Laugh, motherfucking Monday, every Monday. Fuck with me, Twitter, Facebook, etc., etc., etc.